Welcome everybody. We're super excited to have our host the official reopening of Casa de Leon Jewelry. Right now we're going to have the owner, Rene Rios, give some words on why he's excited to be part of the Seminole County business community.
We started this at the beginning of the pandemic with the dream of maintaining the family's legacy, and it's turned out to be better than we anticipated because things were just not as good as they were expected by anyone. But with all the community support, the great friends, the family support, we have been able to succeed. We have been able to stay in business and continue to grow on an annual basis. And our products are beautiful. We have just redesigned our showroom with a lot of new inventory and more inventory on the way because the holidays are coming now, so people want to see something fresh, they want to see something different. And we can also do creations, which we have been doing for several of our customers here and family members as well. And we consider that all our friends that are here are family. So with that being said, I'm ready.
No, wait, I'm ready. Just want to say thank you to everyone that is here. Thank you very much. We are where we're at because of all of you. And thank you to the Lake Mary Police Department. Thank you always for being with us.
So Rene wanted his daughter, Joanna, to give some words as well.
Sure. Here we go.
Oh boy.
She likes to talk.
Like Yvette said, and Renee, thank you guys so much for being here. It means a lot to us to have all the people that we see often and that really patronize the store, but that we really care about. It is like a family, like one big family. We are excited to show off our new redesigned showroom and our expanded services. As a lot of you know, we now offer permanent jewelry, which is wonderful for bridesmaids gift or sisters or family that wants to come in. I know, I see you guys showing them off. We also started offering ear piercing amongst a lot of other brands that we've brought into the store, including Tissot watches, Movado watches, and an extended line of the Michael M brand, which is beautiful for engagement rings and fashion jewelry. So as we continue to grow, we hope that you grow with us and come visit us often.
Thank you again. Now you can do it.
All right. Is everybody ready?
Yes. Let's do it on a 3 countdown.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Cut. So on behalf of the Seminole Chamber of Commerce, we want to give you a certificate of your reopening, and again, we want to welcome you to the community and celebrate you.
Thank you so much.
Woo!
We're very proud.
I can take everyone on a tour.
Let's go on a tour.
I'll give you a ticket. We're raffling off 3 items today.
Oh.
All right.
All right, let's go and look at the new store.
Congratulations.
So this is our new design showroom. We have our new watch line Tissot right here. Every time. And then we also have Movado, which we just opened.
But it's not what I know her as. It's not what I know her as.
We have Luminox watches as well. And this is the Michael M extension that we just added, the entire fashion line of Michael M. It's available in yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. Very trending pieces. And then we have also entered the world of lab diamonds. If anybody wants a lab diamond, we do offer them here at Casa Leon, as well as the natural diamonds. And then this is the Michael M engagement rings. And then over here we have plenty of diamond jewelry, diamond fashion. And then of course we have your staple pieces over here, which is your tennis bracelets, your diamond studs, your diamond inside out hoop earrings. And then that brings you to our custom design studio, which is where if you don't find anything in our store that you like, we can design it and create it just for you.
And this is one of our favorite customers, Alex.
Hello.
Awesome, thank you. Is there anything else you wanted to tell us about Casa Leon Jewelers? Yes, that we offer permanent jewelry, which is right here. So this is something different than most people offer with permanent jewelry. We offer actual real gold, where a lot of you see the pop-ups for permanent jewelry are gold plated. So ours are going to last forever, and it's per inch. You make an appointment, you just go to our website and you can come in. We have, as you can see, an amazing selection to choose from. We also do ear piercing, and we do engravings, and we do custom work as well, and we specialize in engagement rings. Awesome. So, yep, everything is done here. We do simple repair work as well. So if you have some jewelry that you want to repair or redesign, everything is done right here in our shop. It doesn't leave our store.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.